Good evening, everyone. At least I think it's evening because last time I said evening, it was actually afternoon. I know time, I promise. My name is Meloetta. Welcome back to some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. In the, yesterday, ooh! Cherry blossom petals dance upon the wind like some kind of bizarre battalion of breeze ballerinas. Okay? A smile graces up my face as I watch the petals fall. All is well until... Achoo! Mom. I also got another hot dog costume. And this is Gulliver. Hey, it's Gulliver. Spoiler warning for the end of this letter. Please accept this gift as a big ol' thank you for saving me. It probably had a more peaceful voyage to your island than I did. I'm jealous. From Gulliver, the maritime journeyman. Okay, whatever that means. No, stop it. Okay, oh yeah, I guess in the last episode, I showed off my hot dog costume. Mom's tissue box, aww. I showed off my little hot dog costume. But I ended up giving it to Peanut. She's still wearing it, by the way. Candy skull mask. Ooh, isn't this like the thing, those masks that people wear during Halloween in Mexico or something? Whatever place that is, because we don't really have a Mexico in my world. And if we do, then be quiet. Sky egg. Alright, I wanna... Actually, hold on, what is this? Oh yeah, it's Mom's tissues box. Okay, I wanna go quickly... how much money do we have on hand, actually? 7,000. Alright, I want to quickly see what the Able Sisters have for sale. Yeah, ooh, actually, that's an interesting outfit in the window there. I like how the outfit in the window changes every day. That's definitely something interesting. Hello, Sable. Hey, it's great that you're such a loyal customer and everything, but I just got a ton of work to get through. Thanks for understanding. She's opening up more and more every day. Alright, let's go ahead and see what the Able Sisters have for us. Oh, this is... Okay. Yep, I know what I'm wearing. Yeah, I'm wearing this. I just need, what is... Ooh, I want the helmet, too. What is this, cyber shades? Ooh. Cute sneakers. I think I have the wingtip shoes already. Princess tunic. No, the hero stuff is Kinesis' stuff, not mine. I will definitely grab one of the helmets. I just don't know which one. Maybe this one, actually. I will be the superhero comedian. I am the superhero comedian. I actually really like changing my outfit once every episode. It makes every episode feel a little bit more fresh. Well, to an extent. Because every episode we kind of do the same thing, but it's just the adventure. I just hope that in the far future this place doesn't get stale or anything. I will try to do interesting stuff at least every episode. If I can, that is. There is a money. I'm actually gonna try and do more money trees. For right now, I can't do the 10,000. Should I? I'll just bury this in the hole. Whatever. Let's go ahead and see what the turnip prices are for today. I am pretty sure that that I need something more than 91 bells, I'm pretty sure. I don't really remember how many bells I spent to get these turnips. Ooh, I like that turkey thing up there. I also like that sewing machine. Turnip prices. They keep getting worse. Yesterday it was like 64, now it's 56. I like this, but I doubt I'll be able to buy. I need to stop spending money. That's my problem. I need to stop spending money. Maybe I should just go back in time, back to March, and do the tarantula method. Let's go ahead and see if Nana's home. Nope, she's not. Alright. She's not home. Peck is, though. Let's go ahead and visit Peck. We haven't seen him in a while. Oh, he's asleep. Go! Meloetta, how'd the award ceremony go? Did you win best pudding? Oh, I thought that you. What a weird dream, Crunch. You okay? And he's back to sleep. Wait, no, stop. Bring my muscles back. What, Meloetta? Hey, I was just meditating. Yeah, meditating. 10,000 squats and I'm not even winded. Oh, Meloetta, how'd the award? Okay. I'm just gonna let him sleep. Oh, wait. Hey, what's up, Crunch? I'm looking for new ideas for pro level arm wrestling. I really want to study a sea bass. The way it moves is so awesomely cool, but I can't seem to catch one. We'll catch one for you, buddy. Really? Ready to play ball. Don't hold back, Meloetta. Now we're finally going to be getting, requests. Which is hopefully gonna make things a lot more interesting. Oh, hi, Brofina. There you are, Cluckadoo. And looking fabulous as ever, I see. It's yet another splendid day on Tantarafu. Oh, I know I sound unusually chipper, but who can blame me, Cluckadoo? Hi, Peanut. Oh no, you're not wearing your hot dog outfit. Staying trendy, slacker? Wait, what? I don't even know what it says. My sked? Oh, schedule. Okay, my schedule for tonight is packed. There's a monster movie on TV, video games to play, music's to blast. It might just be an all-nighter. Oh, I know how that feels. Whenever you're trying to just do a lot and then it ends up being the next day. I know exactly how that feels. Let's go ahead and try and peck that sea bass. Now watch. I'm trying to actually get a sea bass, but the game's not going to give me one. That's how this is going to act. I want a sea bass, but the game's just gonna say no. No, you don't. Ooh! Ooh, what are these? Yes, Phantom, brought home some more flowers. He was playing, last night, so maybe that was him. I think that's just a sea butterfly. We need a big shadow. Bigger than that. That's probably just an egg. Bigger than that. That's probably an egg or a horse mackerel. Like, we need a big fish for some reason. Like this one. Sando. I'm still gonna take these shells to, sell them. Let's open up these bottles. Bunny Day Wreath? I think I have this. Yeah, I already have that. Camo Frog! Ooh! I've never had Camo Frog, but I know who this is. I was just zoning out in the bathtub when a great DIY idea popped into my head that I had to write down. Look at you! You really scored by taking a peek inside this bottle. Don't tell nobody else about this. Now get to work. Camo Frog. A barrel. And I already know this. Alright. Nice. Oh well. At least we have some more stuff to sell. Is this weeds? Yeah, there. Sometimes weeds just blends in with the ground and it makes it harder to see. Take this. Any fish over here? No? Okay. I guess. Oh, wait. Could that be one? I was about to say. Oh, wait. Peanut is in her workout clothes. She's probably gonna do a few stretches. See guys? A tire! Peanut, why are you wearing your workout clothes if you're just going to sit under a coconut tree? I found this epic relaxed spot during my walk, so I'm taking a break. Alright, I guess that's okay. But we got a dingy old tire. Maybe sea bass just don't like comedians. Maybe that could be the reason why I'm not farming. Hey, Nan! How's it going? Good evening to you. Isn't it a nice night out, kid? Sometimes nighttime can feel lonely, so I'm glad I ran into you. Aww. She's also a little bit, like, hard to see at night. Like, if she had a black shirt, I would definitely not be able to see her. I mean, I guess I would see her horns and her hair. And maybe the object that she's holding, if she's holding one, but other than that, I wouldn't be able to see her at night if her shirt matched her fur. look for the sea bass later. Oh wait, I think that's Norma. Speaking of Norma, I was talking to Norma earlier and she actually wanted to move. I said no, but if she does ask me again, I will let her go. Because, if that's what she wants to do, then, and I guess I can I'll just let her go. Oh, apparently, he's done with his workout. Oh, let's go ahead and check out Limburg. I don't think we've ever seen Limburg's house. Maybe we have, I don't remember. I don't remember if I've seen this, if I show this on screen though. I've seen his house, it looks really cool. Hey, what are you staring at? I know I ain't the best housekeeper, but whatever. Just try and make yourself at home best you can. Why do you have a bunch of leaves? What are you doing? Have you heard there's supposed to be some kind of event happening soon on our island, Squinky? Well, I say it's about time something interesting happened around here. Yep, in just about a couple days. I also really want this. This is a speaker. I really want it because it looks so cool. I really want that speaker. Oh, I think this is also more weeds. Yep. So weeds do grow back. Hey, it's Wisp again! More weeds. Hi, Wisp. Oh, I just had a sneeze that freaking. I just had a little. Whatever. Okay. We will find your things after we've talked to Norma. Wow, I actually really love your home, Norma. Thanks for coming by, Hoo-Hoo. She's also still wearing that shirt I gave her. I hear the strangest thing has been happening. I hear that sometimes when you hit rocks, an egg comes out. Oh, and I hear it happens even more often on those islands you get to with a Nook Miles ticket. I mean, I know those tour islands are supposed to be untouched wildernesses. But this really puts the wild in the wilderness, doesn't it, Hoo-Hoo? Yeah, I mean, I guess it does happen more on those islands, but we haven't actually been to an island for a while now. How many Nook Miles tickets do we have? We have exactly 2,000. I don't think we're gonna go to an island, however. Maybe I'll ask Anton if he can help me out in the future and maybe use some of his Nook Miles tickets or something. I don't know. I don't want to use his because I'm gonna count that as cheating. I also still need some more rocks. Oh, money rock! Ooh. I'm pretty sure the money rock gives you at least 16,000 if you do it correct. I guess we have two things to look out for. A sea bass and the spirit orb thingies. Peanut, still going out for a walk. What is this? Oh, another fossil. I should probably plant more bamboo trees, but I don't know. I don't want my island being infested with bamboo trees. Because I don't know if it's like New Leaf where they actually spread very fast. Game, I am not wearing that outfit. No. What? It's gonna be the outfit. Yeah. Oh wait, that's a stool. Yeah, see? Oh, there's one. Get over here. Oh, there's another. Where did the first one go? There's one. Oh no! My net! Oh. I guess let's go make a new one. That's... Do I even have... Yeah, I do have sticks. Good. Okay. Okay, I made my net, and now let's go look for the remaining orbs. There's the one. Come on, catch it, please, game. Thank you. Maybe I can use some fish bait or something. I don't know. If I don't find it, find the sea bass on camera, I might just do it off camera or something. But I want to do it on camera. Also, I have this. Oh no, not that. I have this to do. You're too small. Too small. Go away. Come on. There we go. Okay, no orbs. orbs or sea bass over here. No, I didn't even press that button. Get some stones, cause I still need to make that those outdoor projects too. Like the that outdoor path and the stone arch. I especially— ooh, Rex is still up. Rex. Hi, Meloetta. I heard a real cool rumor about you, cool cat. You're gonna make Tentaru famous so KK will perform here, yeah? I used to think KK was singing just to me whenever I wanted, but then I figured out how recordings work. I really want to see him in person. I'll be cheering for you. Man, I've got an idea. Since the concert's gonna happen, let's have a place where folks can take a break. It'll be like this. Ugh, I'm tucked out from all this concerting. I sure could drink a juice and eat a snack and rest my feet. Anytime juice and snacks and KK are all happening at once in the same place, I'm a happy lion. Oh, I know. Here, take this. This Mrs. Flamingo is perfect for a rest spot decoration. I think I have a Mr. Flamingo back in my house. There's a lot of weeds, whoa. I think I have a Mr. Flamingo back in my house, so I'm definitely putting that next to it. Another fossil. Oh no! My shovel! I guess I can go ahead and get my fossils, assessed now. But I want to do that after I find the last 2 orbs. Oh, I thought that was an orb, but that's Wisp. It's been a few times where I thought Wisp was an orb and I accidentally smack him with a net. He just gets like annoyed a little bit and goes like, "Hey, I'm not an orb, you know." Oh, hey, Sahara's here. You're calling me Sahara, blah blah blah. I guess let's go ahead and see what kind of rugs she has. Large, please. Come on. Alright, let's get the small and then the medium real quick. Small. And then let's get medium. Okay, we have 3 rugs. Oh no, my pockets are full. Oh, alright, 1 second. Let's go sell some stuff. You know, what are you doing? Ah, I thought Peanut was wearing the hot dog outfit. Let's do this. That. Alright, 5,000. That's good enough, I guess. Was that a Nook Miles? Yep. Sell fruit. Okay. Spend bells to buy items. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Alright, Sahara, I need your medium rug. Yeah, what are you doing? Peanut is like focusing on something. I don't know what. Oh wait, I have the tickets. I forgot. What are you doing? Peanut's being weird. Let's get the wallpaper. Do you have a Sahara wallpaper? Imperial Wall. Okay, I guess. Here's one. Alright, we just need one more and then we can go back to Wisp. And then we can check out the rugs we got. I'm actually trying to look for these things like quick, because I'm running out of time. I'm trying my best. Oh, is that one? Yes, it is. No, not fishing rod. Bug net. There we go. Alright, no! Wait, what? Oh, stop kidding around. You're kidding around, right? You do realize they belong to me? Not gonna return them. But what? Please, I need them. I don't understand. What possible use could you have for my spirit? But I need my spirit pieces. Please give them back. Listen, you need to give those to me. Or else. Listen. Is that all he's gonna say now? Oh, yep. Okay. I've never seen that before. That was funny. Okay, let's get something wallpaper, okay? Something expensive. Pink diner wall. There I go again saying it's a dinner wall. I guess that was actually kind of funny. That unique dialogue if you keep saying no. Alright, let's go ahead and head back to our house. Check out these rugs and these wallpapers, and then I'm going to end off the episode. Okay, so first rug. Blue vinyl sheet. Ooh. I like that. I don't really know where I would use that though, but I like it. White simple mat. Yeah, it looks okay, I guess. And then monochromatic dotted rug. I could use this one actually. Put it in the corner over here, I guess. I don't know, I'm gonna just put that in the storage right now. Okay, so the wallpapers that we got in pink diner wall. So one we got from Wisp. It looks the same except it's pink. I don't know what I really expected though. And then the Imperial wall. It looks fine, I guess. I still prefer my cherry blossom trees, so I'm gonna put these mats in storage. These tickets, stones. Mrs. Flamingo! I forgot about these. Mr. Flamingo? I believe I have a new friend for you. No. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna end this here. So tomorrow on Animal Crossing New Horizons, we're gonna go ahead and try and build up some bells because I'm running really low lately because I need to get this bridge done. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Hold on a minute. I'm a little bit longer than I thought this was going to be, but I checked the rating. And something special is about to happen. This is directly after the episode, so I'm probably just going to collide this into day 21. Right now, Tentarva has a 3-star rating. They built a solid reputation and come up with we built up a solid reputation and come up during many a water cool. What the heck does that even say? Allow me to read an excerpt from the feedback that I gathered. Tentarva, man, hearing about how chill it is. I'd go if I had the chance, KS. Well, there you have it. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Am I hallucinating, or was that feedback signed by a KS? Yes, there is. Very clear. KS. And the penmanship is quite striking, if I do say so myself. Could it be? Can it be? It must be. That message is from the one and only KK Slider. What? I can't believe it. We finally achieved our goal of bringing our island to the attention of the KK Slider. Not only that, but he said he's looking for an excuse to visit. And what are we waiting for? Yes, yes! Let's offer him the chance to hold a concert on our shores. Strike while the iron is hot, they say. Ah, hello. Do I have the pleasure of speaking with a Mr. KK Slider? Yes, yes, I'm with Nook Inc., located on Tentarva. Yes, indeed, we did. We greatly appreciate your valuable feedback. That's actually why I'm calling. If you're truly interested in visiting Mr. Slider, we would be happy to host you in your musical stylings. Yes, quite. I see. Oh my, you mean? Thank you so much. Yes, I'll be sure to mail you all the details straight away. The entire island will be looking forward to it. Thank you again. Yes, talk to you soon. So, what did he say? He'll do the concert. That's right. KK is coming here. Amazing! Congratulations, sir. He could be here as soon as tomorrow, but he has to check his schedule, of course. Meloetta, can you believe it? We finally turned our goal into a reality. We'll spread news of the concert via our island broadcast system. I do hope you'll be in attendance, Meloetta. You simply must hear KK play. Yes, you must. So, tomorrow on Animal Crossing New Horizons, we're gonna be listening to KK's concert. See you guys then. Goodbye.